Hey guys, Awesome Girls back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best bubbles. And today, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so we're gonna put this right there because gotta do this. So you kind of put your fingers like this, and then you kind of pull it out wide. It might take you a few tries to do it, but you should probably squeeze the bubbles out of it before you do it, because then it will kind of make bubbles when you pull it out. And it's it's pretty easy to do it. Just make sure there's no holes. If you can see right here, there's a big hole right here. Just make sure you don't have those, because when you do it, when you flip it over, it's not gonna fully turn into a bubble. It's just gonna deflate like really fast. Not enough time to be able to look at the bubble, and yeah. So just make sure to get all the bubbles out, like the big ones out, before you do it. You kind of have to push it down like this. And then you just pull it, and then you just flip it down. It looks like there was a hole in that one, but yeah. You kind of need really stretchy slime for this. You can't have every time I try homemade slimes, they're too small, but maybe if they're big enough, if they're homemade and you have special glue for it, and you activated it great, and it's ooey enough to be able to do this, stretch it, not tough slime, not very thick. But this is kind of thick. I can't really tell what thick slime kind of feels like. I mean, this kind of feels thick. It's in the middle, but you kind of need thinnish slime so that it's thin enough to make the bubble, because if it's too thick, you're not going to be able to see the bubble. And so you just pull it back, and then you flip it like that, and that one was really good. But then when you touch it, it doesn't actually pop. But if you hold it there, kind of pull it up, it just doesn't pop. It might make a little bit of the slime in there, but it is so see-through. You can see things through it. And it's super, ooh, that might have popped it. Oh, it didn't pop it. And if you, whoops. But yeah, it's super fun. I did another video on this one, and it was just showing you about the slime and the scent and this, yeah, that it was Elmer's. I just figured out it says Elmer's goo, but it's literally so good. It can get a little sticky if you don't have something called slime hands. Some people say you have slime hands, but when other people touch if you always play with slime, then you know that you have slime hands, and it doesn't stick. Look, if I go like that and then I let go, it's not sticking. There's nothing on my hands. But my dad, he tried to make a bubble, and it didn't work because his hands it was sticking to him so much. It was sticking him so much, it was all over his hands that he couldn't stretch it up and make a bubble. And so that means he doesn't have slime hands, because he doesn't ever play with slime, and so it sticks to him. That's why you have to have really thick and really activated slime to be able to have the chance to play with slime. But if this sort of slime, it's kind of oozy, and so just gotta pull it. And this has a lot of beads in it. So see how it's deflating? That's because there's a hole in it somewhere, or the sides aren't pushed down enough, and so it's letting out air, and that's making it. So Like, I like to do that, and I just push it down, and then there's like bubbles everywhere, and it like, sometimes it sticks when you do that, because like they're really thin and like sticky bubbles. But this is like, if you guys love to make like slime and play with slime and make bubbles, and you don't know how to make bubbles, or like you want to make bubbles and you don't know how, you just pull it. So you just, sorry. Okay, so you just pull it out, and then you have to make sure that you push it down on like that. You have to go like, you kind of have to get all the sides. Like, watch when I put my hands down. Okay. Kind of. But it's really fun. And so, here it is, and it's super fun. So, it is very fun to play with. I think that it's just like one of the best slimes, but it is like the best slime that I've ever been able to do bubbles with. And so you guys should get this. It's at a craft store, and it's very pokeable. I don't think I even poked it, so. Yeah, like bubbles are really fun to make. I think they're like super cool because you can see through them. But like, you guys, if you literally don't know how to make a bubble, just go on this video and it will help you so much when you need to do a bubble. And hopefully it works out for you. If it doesn't work, you can ask someone for help, and then watch this over and over again, and then you can see if that helps you out with your bubbles. Hopefully this video will show up if you type in how to make a bubble for slime. So thank you so much for watching, and also just reminding you that make sure to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications to help you know when we make our next videos, and it really helps us. So please like and subscribe and turn on your notifications, and hopefully this video helps you when you need to know how to make a bubble. So thank you for watching.